Hey Doris, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a step-by-step basic makeup tutorial for beginners. You would need a good primer, foundation, concealer, lipstick, powder palette and lip pencil. I always begin by drawing out my eyebrows because the eyebrows tend to get lost if you apply your cream product first. After my eyebrows, I apply my primer and I make use of a very good primer. Choose a primer that suits your skin type. I wait for 5 minutes before applying my foundation. I first of all apply my foundation on my palm to warm it up before applying it on my face in dotted amount. This helps me control the amount of foundation I use on my face. Much foundation results to cakey makeup and less foundation results to flawless makeup. For my concealer, I apply it in the inner corners of my eyes and the outer corners of my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the side of my nose, under my chin. I apply it in these places because of the shape of my face. So if you have an oval face like mine, you should apply your concealer this way. Because I make use of the Eyebrow concealer, I have learned that it is best to leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes. If you do so, you would have a fuller coverage. So always leave your concealer for at least 15 minutes before blending out if it is a liquid concealer. But if it's a cream concealer, I advise to blend it immediately. To avoid spending too much as a makeup beginner, I advise to make use of your red lip stain as your blush. So in this video, I make use of my red lip stain as my blush and my eyeshadow. You can see how beautiful it came out. Like, I love doing this every time. Like, this is my OG. I use my shade of translucent powder and I always pat it at the back of my hand before applying it everywhere I applied my concealer. I just tap and pat everywhere I apply the concealer, and I take special care in applying powder under my eyes to avoid it being cakey. I retouch everywhere I applied my blush before tapping off the excess powder from my face. After this, I spray my face, let it sit for a while before contouring my nose. Because this is a basic makeup tutorial for beginners, I am making use of the darkest shade of powder in my powder palette to contour my nose, my cheekbone, my jawline and my forehead. Contouring is important because it brings back shadow back to your face. After contouring my face with the darkest shade of powder in my palette, I set my face using my powder shade. Setting spray is very important in your makeup because it gives your makeup the skin-like finish you desire, that flawless finish. I wait for my setting spray to dry before lining my eyes. Let me keep quiet and let you guys enjoy this video. Basic makeup tutorial for beginners. This is so easy and this is the final look. I know you love it the same way I do. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos like this.